Good morning, everybody. It's Friday, almost weekend is here. Um, all right, let's see what's going on. Yes, we got green futures. So, yeah, so market went down yesterday on the TNX big jump up, and right now is recovering. We're still in the bull market until I tell you what, until we don't see dark blue bar on the TTM squeeze daily. Every dip is a buy, but the timing is important. And right now let me just fix this one. Pre-market right now 5 15 30 is upward, 1 hour is upward, but just keep in mind 4 hour looking very bearish until we don't have a yellow bar here. There's possibility of every jump up gets sold again. So once we get a yellow bar on the TTM squeeze on the 4 hour on many names or indexes, and then it's possible to have a bigger jump up. And once we see many names 4 hour MACD golden crosses, then we can go for another leg up. And yeah, market is still in the, as I mentioned, daily TTM squeeze. Pay attention to that one until we don't have a dark blue bar or MACD is not dead cross. Every dip is a buy. But the timing is important. And NQ, same thing, 5 15 30 is upward, 1 hour upward, but 4 hour looking still very bearish. So Dow Jones, same thing, 4 hours still no yellow bar there. RUT, we starting getting some yellow bar on the 4 hour. That's good news. But the MACD needs, we got 4 hour before two, yellow bar before two, but it's still stayed weak. So need to get a 4 hour MACD golden cross for better confirmation there. TNX 1% lower. It's all about 46.52. If we do break that one, which we got close to it yesterday, if we do break that one, it's not going to be good for market. Right now, it came back to 45.74 pre jump up on the 1 p.m. news yesterday. And if we go, if we right now pre-market 515 is downward. This is not clear direction. Probably is going to consolidate around it. But if it goes lower, market can fly up higher. DXY. Again, not clear direction. We got again light blue bar on the weekly. That's actually interesting. Daily MACD right now is just going up and down between these two levels, 104 105.492, 105.985. Breaks either one is strong, is going to be a bigger effect on market. Wicks, we got 2.5% lower. 1530 is downward, 1 hour is about to MACD dead cross. So 1479 is a key level to watch. If it passes that one, market can go for a squeeze up. But if it's touching it and bounce up again, 1526 and 1586 are the target. What else you got here? BTC is just non-stop on the run, but it's still going a little bit in the cool down because the 4 hour we're getting dark blue bar, and we need in this one needs to pass 40k. That's a mental level. Once it passes 40k, it's people gonna jump on it crazy. Apple yesterday got to 183 level and it pulled back, it even went higher. So right now it's opening above 183.2. Here's the thing, we had a big pullback yesterday, so anything is possible this today. It's possible maybe again have some sell-off, and it's possible we go higher again. So I'm gonna put the both situation out. And we have 9 a.m. Fed Bostic is talking right now. I'm seeing his comments on Twitter feed, and nothing is special beside that. Yeah, some reports coming at 10 a.m. and next week we have CPI. So Apple 183.97, that's a key level to watch. Right now 1530 is upward. If 183.97, hey, close this out. Close it. 183.97, if it passes, we're looking at 185.21, 186.45. If it can hold 183.2, it can pull back again to lower level. I like that the 1 hour MACD is golden crossing, so it does have chance for run up. Amazon pre-market 1530, 1 hour is upward, 1 hour golden cross. I like it. 141.52, that's a key level to watch. Passes that one, can run up to the higher level, 143, 145.71. If it can hold 140 today, we're looking for go back to 139.48. And doubt it goes too low because this is very deep buy market. But just keep in mind there is a weakness there. We got the red bars on the 4 hour TTM squeeze. Nvidia 5 points gap up. It was very strong yesterday. 1530 is upward. 1 hour is not golden cross yet, but once it does, it can go for a higher level. 474.61. That's a key level to watch. And yesterday, a few times it was was very, very interesting level. It came back to it, jumped up, came back to it, jumped up, and then once it passed it, it pulled back harder. So that's what you want to watch. 470, 461. If it passes, next target is 479, 483, 487.99. But again, if it fails to go above it, maybe sometimes touch it and then pull back, then it's possible. And if you see 1530 MACD dead cross, again, can go retest lower level 471, 468, 466.35. Those are the next lower level. Pre-market 1530 is up, so it does have a chance to break 475 mental level. Watch that. AVGO was weak into the close, made a new all-time high yesterday. Doesn't have volume pre-market, so it's hard to tell direction. You have to see the actions from open. Baba, China President Xi is arranging meetings, so that one could affect the Chinese names today. If you see a jump up from the open, 83.43, 85.76, 15.30 is upward. 1 hour is about to golden cross, so watch 82.71 passes. That one can have a bigger jump there. Netflix try to jump 437.76 right now. It's flirting with it. Once it passes a strong, we're looking at 439, 443, and 446. 15.30 1 hour is upward, and daily TTM squeeze, we got first dark blue bar, so that's something to keep in mind. Need to pass that one. If it goes below at any time 430, goes below 432, then it does have chance for bigger pullback. Meta, it went close to 424 yesterday and it pulled back. So right now pre-market 1530 1 hour is upward, so 320 is a key level to watch. 320.4, if it passes, we're looking to go back retest 324.36. There was weakness yesterday into the close, otherwise it was ready to go because the 4 hour was golden crossing. And if we do go above 324.36 again today, it does have a chance for a run up next week. Daily and weekly looking very, very bullish, so 324 is a key level to watch for next week. If it passes that one, we're looking at 327, 331, 335.82. Tesla dumped yesterday very bad on the HSBC downgrade. 214.86 was the key level. Once it passes that one, this was easy going to 210 and 27.75. Right now is just hovering between these two levels, 210.47 and 27.75. So pre-market right now 15.30 1 hour is upward, and 4 hours still we have red bar on the TTM squeeze. So it's all about breaking these two. If it does pass 210.47, it can go recovery to 214 and 219. Not impossible. 214 is possible, but 219 is very, very high. And again, if you see 1530 MACD dead cross and can hold 2775 today, if it passes that one, next targets we're looking is 203, 199, 197.31 is the next major level. Microsoft was weakness too yesterday, but and right now is gapping up, so 2 points higher. 1530 is upward. RSI on the 5 and 15 is in the overbought zone, so if you see continuation jump up 365.29, that's a key level to watch. Breaks that one, can go for new all-time high 369, 375.76. Again, if you see it fail at and you see 1530 MACD dead cross, it can come back and retest 358.81. 358.81 is a key major level to watch. If at any time this week or next week passes it, it can go for a bigger pullback and bigger profit locking. Google, it tried a few times to break 131.82 and then it fails, so that seems like a big wall there. Again, if it jumps up to the continuation 130.82, 131.82, 5 to 1 hour, everything is upward. If the 1 hour MACD golden cross confirms, 131.82 easy come. Once it passes that one, we can go for higher level, but for now it's a big wall there. On the 4 hour we got red bars, so there is possibility for a jump up and then pull back. A lot of names that have TTM squeeze red bars on the 4 hour, that means it's possible to have a temporary jump up then pull back again. AMD, it's all about 115.47. Passes that one, we're looking at a higher level 116, 117, 118.73. 5 is already dead crossing. 1530 is upward. 1 hour, I like that, is golden cross. And the 4 hour, again, we got the light blue bar, so that's interesting. Need to pass 115.47 for a run up. Once the daily weekly golden crosses, sky's the limit on that name. Boeing was very interesting yesterday. I told you about it, that it has chance for jump up, and boom, it jumped up from 193 to 196, and Same thing, you want to pay attention to it, that open. Already we have 5 minutes MACD dead crossing, and 15 it has a dark blue bar. So it's all about 195.58. If it passes that one, can run up to 196.91. 996.91 is a key level. Passes that one, can go for higher level. That was a big wall this week. So the pre-market doesn't show that much strength like it showed yesterday. SPY 2 points higher almost. So we are looking at 436.45 again. So 436.45, if it can passes, we can run up to the higher level. 437.77, 439.9, 442.03 is the next target. Again, if it can hold 434.96, retest of 433.46, 432.54. 432.54 is a major level. If it goes below that, then the market is going to be in bigger trouble. Pre-market right now, 1530, 1 hour is upward. If you see 1530 MACD dead cross, we can roll down again. But need a catalyst. Yesterday catalyst was big, and I don't see any catalyst today unless there's a technical or big volume comes in. 4 hour, there is still red bar, so be cautious on the deep buy. And yeah, QQQ. Same thing, 5, 15, 30, 1 hour is upward. We got red bars on the Q, 4 hour. It's all about 371.86. Passes that one, we're looking at 373.48, 375.1. If it goes again below 370.86, next supports are 369.59, 368.32, 367.54. That's pretty much on the major names. What else you got here? LLY opening a few points higher, so 1530 is upward. 1 hour is close to having golden cross, so it's all about 612. If it passes that one, can run it back to 605, 612, 42. MSTR, if don't show anything special, but BTC is green. Coin went higher and pulled back, so it's all about 95.63. Passes that one, we're looking at 97.49, 99.35. What else you got here? Let me see. Roblox is on the rundown, so this one most likely is gonna come back to 35.81. Roku, it gives jump up, but it's all temporary, and then it pulls back again. So it's all about 79.95. If it goes below that one, it's gonna be in trouble. TTD caused some pullback on it, so if 79.95 can't hold it, looking at 78.24, 77.18. What else you got here? That's pretty much it. TTD was just horrible. It went down big time. So in order to go for recovery, we're looking at 60.96. Passes that one, can go for recovery maybe to 64.73. But this one is just crazy. You got a gap down too for the earnings. So yeah, this one just big 3 points lower. What else? TSM got a news and jumped up, so 94.74. That's a key level to watch. That one pass, we're looking at 96.38. Next one, let me just look at my scanner. GS looking bullish, so it's all about 324.71, can go to 329.11. OIH oil is recovering, so that was strong yesterday too. Adobe got a little bit, it's all about 586.57. That's the next key level. Now I'm on MDB. I like it actually. 1530 MACD is golden crossing, and 1 hour we got yellow bar. So if 367.88 passes, we're looking for to go for recovery. Yep, that's pretty much it. As always, just keep in mind 4 hour we got red bars, so there's a possibility for some jump up, some continuation, then pull back. And until you don't see 1530 MACD dead cross, and deep buyers can still continue to buy in the deep and some rise up, and then we'll see what happens after. And have a great weekend. Thanks for tuning in.